Have you ever found a spider in your bath? Sometimes they fall in and can't get out again. Spiders come in all shapes and sizes, but all spiders have 8 legs. Try and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spiders have 8 legs. Here comes another spider. It lives in a web. Spiders like to eat bugs, and this one has caught a woodlouse. Most spiders like to live on a web. They make the web out of strong silk. Spinning the web from silk takes a spider quite a long time. This film has been speeded up. It takes a spider much longer than this to build its web. Spiders spin their webs round and round in a spiral. Once the web is spun, it is very strong and sticky, so that if anything flies into it, they get all tangled up. Spiders love nothing more than a nice, juicy insect. After the spider has had its meal, it mends the web and sits and waits for another bug to come along. But it could be a long wait. Spiders' webs don't just catch bugs and flies, they also catch water. Sticky webs can catch water droplets. If you look really closely, they look like strings of pearls or shiny beads. But some spiders don't have to spin webs. Jumping spiders have amazing eyes, which help them to spring from one place to the other. This one has spotted a dragonfly on a leaf, so it jumps over to get closer. But the dragonfly sees the spider and runs away.
It's our planet! Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I'm a hopping frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I'm a galloping horse. Click, clop, click, clop, click, clop, click, clop. Can you be an animal too? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Click, clop, click, clop, click, clop, click, clop, click, clop. What animal is this?
It's a spider.
What can you hear? A lion is here.
And what is Thomas? He's a turtle.
It's our planet! There are more creatures for you to see.
Lots of animals don't build themselves homes because they can live in ready-made homes like this cave. You can't see straight away, but on the roof of the cave, there are hundreds and hundreds of bats. They're all roosting together to keep safe and warm. Every evening they go out hunting for food, but they always return to the cave where they've made their home. Lots of birds build nests in trees, but some birds don't have to, because they find a safe little home that's already made, inside the tree. A barn owl is quite happy to live in an old farmyard barn. It's sheltered from the wind and rain and high up from the ground, so the owl feels safe and gets a good view of the land around. The owl still spends time making her home comfortable inside the barn, but it's already warm and dry. When you think of a nest, you might just be thinking of birds. But it isn't just birds that build nests. Look at this great big wild pig. She's building a nest where she'll give birth to her babies. Of course, it's a nest on the ground, not in a tree. Pigs can't fly. She busily drags twigs and branches into her chosen spot. It looks like a great big untidy heap, but to the wild pig, it's home. Here's another untidy pile of twigs at the water's edge. A beaver is busy building a home. He carefully arranges mud and twigs. He's chosen a lovely, quiet place. There he is, swimming along with dinner in his mouth. He goes underwater to get inside his home. Then he can eat his favourite dinner. He enjoys gnawing the bark from a stick. And the rest of the family can join in too. It's a very happy home for the beaver family.